Welcome to today's rest ritual by Zarine. The essential oil that we've chosen for today is the frankincense. This is an essential oil often used for grounding, steadiness, and emotional support during times of uncertainty. If you don't have this essential oil, I've shared a link in the description below. It's a beautiful addition to any of these rest rituals. If it feels supportive, place one drop into the palm of your hands, rubbing them together slowly. Just softly closing your eyes, bring your hands towards your face, and just take a gentle inhale and a slow, steady exhale. Slow in, slower out. Just continuing to slow down the breathing. There is no right way to be here, no perfect way to rest. Just this moment and your breath. This ritual is for the days your body feels unfamiliar. This ritual is for trusting the body during treatment, during tough times, and maybe finding that relationship again when your body may be feeling strained, unfamiliar, or shaken. This rest ritual offers a compassionate space to soften control, listen inward, and reconnect without forcing gratitude or positivity. If your eyes aren't already softly closed, go ahead and just allow them to soften, finding a comfortable place, either seated or lying down. Just allowing your body to relax, remembering there's no right way to be here, no perfect way to rest. Just this moment and your breath. This rest ritual, again, is for days that your body feels unfamiliar, when the relationship you once had with your body feels changed, when trust feels strained, fragile, or far away. You do not have to rebuild trust all at once. Today is only about creating a small, safe place to begin. Let your body settle in to the surface beneath you. Notice where you are supported: the bed, the couch, the floor, holding you up without asking anything from you. And if it feels okay, allow your eyes to softly close and feel a little heavier. And if you wish to not close your eyes, just soften your gaze. Bring your attention back to your breath, not to control it, only to notice it. The breath arriving and the breath leaving. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Gently allow it to return on the next inhale and the next exhale. Now begin to sense the outline of your body without judging, without assessing, just sensing. This is where I am. Bring your awareness to the back of your head, the place where you are supported, allowing the scalp to soften, the forehead to smooth. Allow the muscles around the eyes to loosen. Now bring awareness to the jaw. Many of us hold so much here. Unclench the teeth. Let the tongue rest heavy in the mouth. And if it helps, imagine the jaw being warmed gently from the inside, softening, releasing on each exhale. Now taking your time, just finding nice slow breaths. Inhale and exhale. Now let the attention drift down the neck. Notice any areas of guarding, any bracing. You don't have to push it away. Just create space around it. Move awareness into the shoulders. These shoulders that have carried appointments, decisions, and worry. Let them drop a little. Not all the way, just a little. As if your body is learning in small increments that it can release. Feeling your arms, the upper arms, the elbows, the forearms, the hands. Let the hands rest open if that's comfortable. Palms facing up. Let them be empty. Nothing to hold. Now bring awareness to the chest, to the heart space. If placing a hand on your heart feels supportive, you can do that now. Feel warmth, feel contact, a gentle reminder, I am here. Notice the rhythm of the breath near the heart, the chest rising and falling. You don't need to force trust, but you can offer your body a moment of compassion. Now bringing attention to the spine, imagine the spine as a supportive column, not rigid, not perfect, just present. If you can, sense one place along the spine that feels neutral, even slightly steady. Rest your attention there for a breath or two. Now move awareness down into the belly. If the belly feels tender, guarded, or numb, that's okay. Let the breath touch the belly gently, like a soft wave. No pushing, no deep breathing required, just a small invitation to soften. Now bring attention into the pelvis and the hips, the center of grounding, a place that often holds fear, tension, and fatigue. Imagine the hips widening slightly with the exhale, releasing a fraction, allowing gravity to help. Staying here for a few breaths. Now on your next inhale, scan down into the legs, thighs, knees, calves, ankles, feet. Feel the feet resting. Feel the heaviness of the legs. Feel the permission to be supported. Your body does not need to perform here. It does not need to prove anything. It is allowed to rest. Now imagine you are speaking to your body in a gentle, honest voice, not a voice that demands positivity, a voice that offers respect. You might silently say, I know things have changed. I know this has been hard. I'm here with you. And now allow these affirmations to come in slowly. You can repeat them or simply listen. My body is doing the best it can. I can meet my body with compassion. Trust can rebuild slowly, one breath at a time. And again, slowly, my body is doing the best it can. I can meet my body with compassion. Trust can rebuild slowly, one breath at a time. If emotions arise, tightness, tears, numbness, irritation, let them be welcome. Nothing needs to be fixed. You are simply noticing what is real. Now return again to the feeling of support beneath you. The surface holding you, the air around you, the steady rhythm of breath. This is a form of trust, not certainty, but presence. Let your body rest in that presence for a few more breaths, inhaling and exhaling, inhaling and exhaling. If sleep comes, allow it. If you remain awake, allow stillness. Either way, your body is receiving something important. Permission. As we close, take one last gentle breath in and a slow breath out. May you carry forward this small beginning, not forced, not rushed, just a quiet knowing. Trust can return gently over time. Thank you for resting with me.